Good morning, traders. Happy market open. Here's the short and a play right now that started from Alpha Fibonacci key sell point. Intelligent trader understands far in advance that decision point 1 is crucial. No speculation, no gambling here. Ultimate intelligent precision only. Price moving to the downside, which was the only option we discussed with my students pre-market. The only intelligent option. So if the price struggles at weakness at this critical key level, as again I can convert software to any chart, I can convert software to 5 to 3 to 1. Trades play out on different charts, and we will discuss this with my students in the live classes. Key moment. This is your retail trading range, and software shows this to you with a single glimpse. If price remains stuck at this level, it's weakness. It's pain. It's crawl. It's retail chop only. But what you're witnessing in front of you is ultimate simplicity. Ultimate simplicity is key to your success. Bold red zone present, it means only intelligent option to short. Rules are met, take a trade. Single alert on the scanner constitutes weakness. That's it. There is no power, only weakness present this morning. I cannot deliver power, only market can. So when you're using your intelligent brain, you understand the importance of levels that identifies weakness. Key moment. That's it. So when you're looking at this chart, what's important to understand? Identical rules apply to any instrument, any time frame, any platform. So when I received this email from trader who is trading crypto, this is the reason I live and breathe what I do. Genius trader who has zero interest in day trading, who is using system long term on crypto. So only you can identify what's appropriate for you. Are you a crypto trader or are you a stock trader? Are you metals and commodities trader? In the trading room, you see system instantly in the live markets, but can choosing to trade crypto only. That's it. As he's sharing, he's trading altcoins. I never in my life looked at altcoins. So many traders trading instruments I never ever heard of. Can understands the power's price action. Can understands what's appropriate for him, his risk management, at his account. So this is a level that identifies weakness. Everyone clear on this? The entire morning S&P is stuck in weakness. No power. So the events of this morning is a stunning reminder. Obey and respect the weakness. Do not speculate. Know where to exit your trade. Weakness is the most important moment in your trading. Only when you identify weakness, you can become successful. That's it. Sellers are weak. We knew it when scanner had given us single alert. And when you trade with weakness, you better obey, respect a bold pink line, or do not trade is the other conservative option. But how you separate weakness from strength will define your success forever. Precision during weakness is a must. All played out in our live trading room. So here we go. This is the market 20 minutes later. I converted software to 5. I can convert software to any chart I choose. Pay attention, please. This is drastically more aggressive trade because it's extremely important level, very close. Key event. This chart struggling to reach this level. This is a difference. This is weakness. Intelligent trader respects and obeys that. There is no power this morning. It does not exist. So when market give you weakness, you better obey the rules and obey this level. Converting software to 3 to 5 to 1 to any chart. Key event. That's it. Do not overcomplicate trading. This is the most dangerous thing traders do. Complications, insecurities, baggage. I promise you, developing 40 systems in 20 years, the best things in the market are very, very simple. So here we go, weakness will be tested again next. Price testing this level again, but my goodness, take a look what's playing out on Apple. Apple testing this level. Identical level in front of you, where Apple have been stuck since last September. Here we are in April 2024. Sellers are weak on Apple, but Apple collapsed almost 30% from reversal zone, and you knew this with the power of the Alpha Fibonacci system months in advance. So this is where Apple sold off from Alpha Fibonacci reversal zone. Again, 170 is a lifeline on Apple. This is Apple in December 2023. Not the place to buy, the place to short Apple from. This is Apple now at 170, 169 level. Sellers are weak, but Apple collapsed. $30 per share. So identical event playing out on S&P in front of you live, and the reason why trading room open. There is nothing else, only this is present. You cannot create random targets, you cannot create random entries, you cannot create speculative random market shorts, longs, stops, whatever. That will never work. What works is your limitless intelligent power. What works is your limitless intelligent strategic brain. If you're obsessed with the markets, day trading is for you. If not, use system long term. So here's Euro also now. We'll be testing key. Institutional level 104. Euro failed to break through 111. December 2023. Has anyone seen great news in Europe? Is it possible that Euro skyrocketed from this level? What was the most incredible thing that at that time when this was playing out, I was meeting my students in Europe and in London, and intelligent traders were buying euro at the bottom, or buying real estate at the bottom when euro at the bottom in South France. My goodness. Exact same. Ken's daughter gave me this. That's it. So when 14-year-old son of hedge fund manager can do this, anyone can. Remove all the baggage from your head. Remove all the insecurity by practice. And when you do, the skies are the limit. Simply identify what's appropriate for you and your account. Because it's an ultimate honor when father bringing his son to the course. It's an ultimate honor when daughter of trader giving me such beautiful card. So if I do not know the instrument, hedge fund manager to trade, because Alpha Fibonacci system applies to pure price, and simplicity is a crucial part. No idea what A&D trades, but he manages multi-million retirement positions for retirement funds in Europe, and bringing his son to the course, who was bored and did this. That's it. Friends bringing their friends, fathers bringing their children, trading this, or trading this. Identical levels, identical strategies apply. All you have to do, use your limitless brain and identify. Is Bitcoin appropriate for you? Or is it oil? Oil reached critical key level War will collapse despite war with Ukraine. The events in the trading room during oil news this week will be extremely important. And when S&P will crash and burn, for intelligent trader this morning, this will be a gift. That's it. Who trades strategically, knowing quite well. Multiple alerts on the scanner constitute power. Single alert constitutes weakness. It's that simple. And so if you're ready to use your limitless brain and become a successful strategic trader, I look forward to working with you. I will be teaching you identical system I taught to Ken, to Dominic, to Andy. System traded globally on all instruments, all time frames, all platforms by traders from beginner to hedge fund manager. So when you join us today and trade predictive, proprietary, institutional system with precise entry, stop and target, all you have to do is identify what's appropriate for you, what instrument, what time frame, on what platform. Or you can trade with NinjaTrader 8. So when you view students' performance, listen to students' podcasts and view students' reviews, you understand quite well for packages appropriate for traders of all levels. Courses only 3 months in the group course. Courses only 4 months in the group course. Standard timing 2 months. I expanded to 3 because traders take vacations or illness. It's not a problem. And if you want to continue with Graduate Club, of course you can, with video library and live classes after graduation. Private mentoring I have opening coming up in the next 2 weeks. So if you sign up today, we can schedule private mentoring session 2 weeks in advance. In private mentoring, I work with students in Australia, in New Zealand, in Japan, in South Africa, in New Jersey, in Florida, in Texas. Every single one of these traders trades different instrument, trades different account, has different background. So choose the option appropriate for you. If you are not on NinjaTrader 8, option 1 and 3 appropriate for you. If you are on NinjaTrader, option 2 and 4 appropriate for you. Option 2, the most popular option. During the month of April, I will include recordings of the Trading Bootcamp March 2024. In private mentoring, I work with you one-on-one. I give you homework, I test you, I quiz you, I keep you accountable. I show you if day trading is for you or not. Any questions for me? Do not hesitate to contact me. Simply click on Contact Us section and call or email me. 925-257-4298 or info@fibinstitute.com. As S&P remains stuck in weakness, there is nothing else. But with Alpha Fibonacci Ultimate Precision, you knew this. With ultimate precise rules for entry, stop and target, even during the worst market conditions.